So here we are going to explain about the medicine reminder. So here you can see the title on the LCD, RTC based medicine reminder, date and time, and reminder 1. Okay, so this is an regulated power supply section. This is been given as an input power supply to the Arduino Uno Wi-Fi module and RFID reader and LED to indicate. So in this we will be placing the medicine, and you will be having the RFID tag and light dependent resistor. Okay, and the power supply which we are going to take is an 230 volts AC converting into DC with the help of two adapter. So this is going to convert 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC by using rectifier, capacitor and regulators. And here we are going to use the push buttons to arrange the date and time and number of medicines. And after that here we are going to give an reminder with the help of buzzer and LED to indicate, and light dependent resistor where used to take the medicine. And here we have used Atmega 328 microcontroller, and we have used an RTC circuit over here. Let us see the output, how it works. So here we have used an Blink application, so which is going to be work on IoT. So the whatever may be the data transmitted by the Wi-Fi module is received in the Blink application. So here we will be logging both the modules with the same Wi-Fi username and password, and here in the application you will be having an email ID, so we will be logging it in. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So here you can see, okay, the number of times we have pressed 6. So now it is 2:53. Reminder 1, we will be pressing the push button. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. 2 o'clock. $2:55. We will be arranging 2:55. Now set the minutes have been completed. Now time has been setted. Reminder 2. The second reminder will be at night. So now we will be watching in the Blink application. So here, okay, here we can see it is connecting to the network. So we'll take the RFID tag. So here you can see the reminder 1 alert. So the project has been started. Reminder 1 is being started. So in the reminder you can see reminder 1 started. So now we are going to take the medicine. So here I am by placing, we are taking the medicine. So that is an NFT tag connected to the each and every strip or tablet, and we will be placing the RFID. So it is an invalid tablet. So we have to go with an, so then we have to place the valid tablet. So that is an valid tablet. So here you can see the valid tablet on the IoT. So the reminder has been ended. Now it will shift to the second reminder. So this is how we are going to use the medicine reminder by using RTC circuit. Thank you.